Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the ZeroLemon 4000Mah extended battery case for your iPhone 10. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $35. Now I know what you're saying. What's the difference between this one and the one I reviewed last week that's 4000 milliamps and $25? Well, the major difference is this one has built-in Qi wireless charging. So basically what that means is you can charge up your phone and you can charge up the phone case with wireless charging. All right, so let's check this out. ZeroLemon 4000Mah extended battery case for your iPhone 10. 180 days ZeroLemon promise, battery maintenance. All right, let's read this real quick. Please charge the battery for 12 hours prior to initial use. For optimal performance, please perform 5 to 6 recharge-discharge cycles for all new batteries. All right, so you should do that on every battery that you get. Let me grab a little unboxing knife and let's check this out. Shout out to the little unboxing knife. Here we go. Rah! White shoes got the day off. All right, so here we go. Inside the box, here's your battery case. You get your ZeroLemon 180 days warranty. Pluck it, file it to the side. Some more cards, file those too. Here's your battery case, and let's see what kind of cable we get. Now this should be USB Type-C. There it goes, USB-A to USB Type-C. Now this is how you're going to charge the case using a wire, but you can also charge this wirelessly. Now for the case itself, soft matte feel to this, no fingerprints on deck, little ZeroLemon branding. You got 4 LEDs, so when you want to check your battery life, shout out to White Shoes, I thought you had the day off. All right, anyway, when you want to check your battery life, just tap the power button, and that's going to show you how much battery you got. So 4 LEDs, mine is on 3, so that means 75%. Now, when you want to power on the case, you just hold down the power button, and that's going to turn the case on. When you want to deactivate, hold down the power button, that'll turn it off. USB Type-C charge on the bottom. You got your volume up and down. I'm sorry, you got your power button, volume up and down, and a cutout for your vibrate on and off switch. Zerks. All right, so let's power this up and see what it looks like. Now this is a 2-part case. All you have to do is pop this up, slap your iPhone in, move your cat out the way, and you're good to go. Now in the front, you see these speaker grills? Basically what this case does is funnels the sound from the bottom of your speaker, from the bottom of your phone to the front. I'll do a little sound test so you can hear it for yourself. All right, White Shoes, what you doing? All right, so let's power this up and see if this charges up. All right, keep your eye on the power bar. There it goes. Phone is charging up. Now this is 4000 milliamps, so that's going to give you a full extra day worth of battery. Now for the most important part, let's see if we can wirelessly charge the case. All right, so I just powered it off. You see the battery is white. Zerk's in rare form right now. All right, let's grab a wireless charger. Zerks, can I live? Zerk's White Shoes is turning gray. Zerks, you're getting old. All right, let's power this up and see if this wirelessly charges. There it goes. All right, so wirelessly charger. I know. I might have to edit this part out. All right, wirelessly charge your iPhone case. Now, if y'all look closely, you see that green light? That means the phone is charging up. So now, when you're on the go, if you got one of these dope wireless chargers like I got in the car, now you don't have to separate your case to charge it up. Now, if you want to do data transfer, plug it in right through the bottom. This has pass-through technology. So you plug one end into your computer, one end into the iPhone, transfer your data over. All right, so we'll charge this one more time. Battery is charging up. Now this case does add a little bit of extra thickness, a little bit of extra weight, but that's the last thing you're worried about when your battery's about to die. Now we'll power this off one more time. Okay, battery is white. Let's see if this charges up one more time. Here we go. Zerks, chill. Battery's charging right up. $35. This is a major go. Now, like I said, this one is $10 more than the original. The original one looks and works just like this, but you can't wirelessly charge the case. So this one, no cables on deck. Now you got to do, drop it on the table, start wirelessly charging, pick it up. You got 2 batteries on your iPhone 10. Anyway, this is the ZeroLemon 4000Mah extended battery case for your iPhone 10 featuring Qi wireless charge. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. All right, real quick, a couple of things I forgot to mention because white shoes messed up my concentration. Let's check the resistivity on this. Decent amount. So you get a little screen protection. Not the most protective case in the world, but this is a battery case. Let's check the power button. Power button works with no problems. Let's check the volume buttons. There's your volume. Now let's do a little sound test. Listen to the sound. The sound from your bottom speakers is being funneled to the front. You still got your top speaker, so you're good to go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.